So now, today we are doing grading. We have millet here. We have not graded yet, but we have different types of maize here from the biodiversified farming. See the different types, the diversified farming. So we have separated them, and we are doing a lot of grading for the different types of the maize that we have. So we are doing grading, so we are separating each type because people have different tastes. Others like the yellow one, others like the red one, others like the mixed one, others like the orange. Yeah, so you have different types of maize. You have orange, you have yellow, you have the white one, and we have the mixed one. So now we are doing the separation so that we can have different tastes of the maize. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types. So we are separating them slowly by slowly until all of them are in their place. And then when we are processing, we can process each type differently, and we can get different tastes and different colors of the different tastes and different colors of the flour. So, and also you can also get the different type of seeds, yeah, but all of them were planted at the same place and mixed. So now we'll have different tastes, about 6 different tastes and 6 different colors, yeah. So the process is going on. So we are going to finish. Once we are finished, we'll start the shredding process and then the milling process. Okay, thank you so much. This is the product of biodiversified maize farming, which we do, and it produces a lot of biodiversified seeds. You get colors which you had before and colors that you never had before, yeah. So you always get very many different diverse colors, patterns, yeah. Also you get different diverse colors, patterns, and also products, yeah, from the integration of the different, all these are indigenous seeds. You always get different types of colors, types, sizes, yeah, patterns, yeah, different types of patterns, yeah, colors, get different types, patterns, sizes, and everything. So that is the product of planting biodiversified maize. So each time you get a new color through cross-pollination, yeah, and you have very many colors of maize. So you can decide to mill like the purple maize, the orange maize, the white maize, the yellow maize, the red maize, yeah, and even the pink ones, yeah. So you always have different colors, yeah. And so the millet, we have the white millet here, we have the red one, we have the medium one color, yeah, different colors, yeah, green one, different colors, yeah. So with time we'll continue producing this and processing until the last minute when you take them to the store.